So, dear all, we are all set to go for a chirotherapy, physiotherapy, and a manual therapy and nutritional guidelines in our new setup, Cribs Hospital, Jasola. So, this is our physiotherapy setup, and we are doing all our manipulation and exercise and all by a holistic and a manual means. So this is our chair, manual chair, chiropractic chair, and this is our chiropractic bed. So on this we are going to just manipulate the patient, and this is our ambience, a new look, a new setup for manual therapy, physiotherapy, and chiropractic treatment.